As a parent, we still find ways to protect our children. And in today's society, you just never know. Hey son, let's take a break. Hey son.
What's up, Bob?
Hey, I have something for you. I have the safety awareness kit. It's from Tactical Society Gear and Security.
I love that website.
Yeah, they have a lot of good things on there. Now, the purpose of this is to keep you prepared if you get pulled over at night. Now, you're supposed to have your registration and your insurance already in here. If you get pulled over, just put your driver's license in here, roll down the window, put it right on the outside of the window. That way, when the officer comes up, he can already see that you have your things there. He's not going to be alarmed by any sudden movements, and I know at the end of that encounter that you're going to come home safely.